For today's video guys, samahan ninyo ako. This is how to pruning tomatoes. Look at that guys. My tomatoes now here is not totally having a fruits. So I wanna get some of that leaves that cover them. So para makita natin na may bunga pala siya. Ayan oh. Hindi natin kailangan yan. Ang mga existing leaves na yan. Okay. Ayan.